Are you facing a plumbing issue in Fourways or the surrounding areas of Johannesburg? Whether it's a leaky faucet or a flooded bathroom, plumbing problems can happen anytime. But don't worry, our plumbing network here in Fourways is here to help. Our team of fully licensed and experienced plumbers is available 24/7, ready to tackle any emergency. We specialize in burst pipes, blocked drains, geyser repairs, and new installations and other plumbing services. Quick response, quality service, and affordable rates are what we promise. We serve not only Fourways, but also Sandton, Bryanston, and other nearby suburbs. Why choose us? We connect you with trustworthy plumbers, ensuring top-notch service every time. Don't let a plumbing issue ruin your day. Call us now for fast, reliable plumbing solutions. Get expert help right when you need it, because your comfort is our priority.